Welcome, this is the TCL 408 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we'll just successfully created a new home screen folder. To rename the folder, just tap once on the name and under the new one, for example the apps. To remove folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove the application from here, you should hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder from the home screen, hold it and drag it to a remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. Also, you could remove all of the applications with the folder together. Just hold it and drag it to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.